All right, so in front of me, I've got 3 cocktails, all featuring Braulio Amaro. And let me tell you guys something. These cocktails are all absolutely delicious. Now, what exactly is Braulio? Well, besides being one of my favorite Amaro, it's what you would call an Alpine Amaro. Why is that? That's because the ingredients used in this Amaro all come from the Alps of Italy. We're talking some juniper, we're talking some gentian, some wormwood, and honestly, when you drink this stuff, you really do get a sense of the terroir of the Alps. I mean, it feels like you're drinking a winter wonderland. You know what I'm saying? I really get a sense of the pine, the cedar, and all that good stuff that's going on. And it's a fantastic, absolutely fantastic Amaro, right, folks? So I'm gonna show you guys how to make 3 cocktails using this Amaro. But before I do that, I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help Vino feed the hungry algorithm. And make sure you stick around because we're gonna boogie down. Braulio Amaro was created in 1875 by Francesco Poloni, who was a pharmacist in the Valtellina region of northern Italy. The Amaro was named after Monte Braulio, which is a mountain near the Swiss-Italian border. Braulio is made using over 20 different botanicals, many which are foraged from the local Alps. Key ingredients include juniper, wormwood, gentian root, and yarrow. On the nose, you get a beautiful bouquet of fresh alpine herbs, resinous pine, subtle sweetness, and floral notes. On the palate, it shows bright herbaceous notes of juniper and gentian root, followed by warm spices and a long bittersweet finish with fresh menthol. This stuff just smells and tastes like winter in a bottle. Delicious. All right, so the first Braulio cocktail I'm gonna make for you guys is called the Backroom Browler. I mean, how clever a name is that? And it was created by Brandy Lockman over at the Red Star Tavern. Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, so the next cocktail I'm gonna make for you guys using Braulio is called PLAZA VIEJA, which means Old Plaza. And this cocktail is created at the Backbar in Somerville, California. Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, so the last cocktail I'm gonna make for you guys is called As I Die Lying. I'm really excited about this one because it has a lot of ingredients that I absolutely love. And this one was created by Frederick Yarm, who is the author of one of my favorite cocktail blogs, The Cocktail Virgin. Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, so let's go ahead and give our Braulio cocktails a sippy sip, starting with the Barroom Browler, which again, I think is just one of the coolest names for a cocktail. Super clever. Cheers. Oh, that's very nice, guys. You know, it's got this beautiful kind of floral, honey. Man, it's really good. You're getting the citrus also from the Montenegro. This is a very, very pretty cocktail, guys. Very, very elegant. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. If you like the Angel Face cocktail, then you're definitely gonna dig this cocktail. It reminds me a lot of that cocktail. Even though that uses apricot liqueur, I think it definitely has something in that ballpark. Very, very nice cocktail. All right, guys, now let's go ahead and try our PLAZA VIEJA. Now, you know, you guys may or may not know, I'm not a huge fan of mezcal or any of those kind of smoky notes in cocktails, but when it works, it works. Let's hopefully this cocktail works. Cheers. I mean, right in the nose, I'm picking up the mezcal, of course. I mean, it's always gonna kind of stick out front. Oh, this is, yeah, you know what? This is nice. This is very nice. You look, again, as I said before, mezcal is gonna be the one you pick up first and foremost in this cocktail. I might be a little hypersensitive to mezcal, the smoky notes, I'm not sure, but it's definitely the thing you pick up most. I feel like you might be losing a little bit of the Braulio, which is surprising because, you know, Braulio is one of those, you know, Alpine Amaros that has a, you know, pretty big pronounced notes, you know, it's kind of that menthol and stuff like that. But in this particular cocktail, I can't say that it's really upfront. Yeah, and I mean, it was a bar spoon of Benedictine, but I'm not really seeing the Benedictine in this one, you know? So, as a cocktail alone, a very nice cocktail. I almost knocked that over. It's a very nice cocktail. I talk my hands too much. It's a Bronx thing. But a very nice cocktail on its own. I'm not sure the best display for Braulio because it doesn't really show up in the cocktail that much. Where it is showing up is, again, delivering a little bit of those, oddly enough, some kind of like honey notes, you know, so maybe like some sappy, syrupy notes that you're getting from the Braulio. But in general, it's definitely a mezcal forward cocktail, at least to my palate, all right? And then last but not least, As I Die Lying, which I'm really interested in this one. You know, I really think Frederick Yom has one of my favorite blogs, the Cocktail Virgins. He makes a lot of great original cocktails, and this is one of his, so cheers. Oh, man. This is delicious, guys. Oh, beautiful. A lot of stuff going on here. And it's got like this beautiful floral arrangement going on. You know, you're definitely getting that juniper. You know, you're getting some of the gentian in there. But what you're also getting is this kind of spiciness, and that might be coming from the apple brandy because it is the bonded one, so it's got a little more proof going on. But there's a little bit of a spiciness there, almost like a cinnamon. This is beautiful. This is a very this tastes like fall and holidays. Really good. Oh yeah. And then the back end, the Peychaud is also delivering some of its own spicy notes and stuff. That's a fantastic cocktail, guys. Look, 3 delicious Braulio cocktails. I hope you guys go ahead and try them out. Pick up a bottle. I gotta be honest with you, this stuff wasn't the easiest thing in the world to get, and I'm here in New York where you can get pretty much anything. But if you can get your hands on a bottle of this, it is absolutely fantastic. And I gotta tell you, it really does just remind you of a winter wonderland, you know, skiing in the Alps, if that's your thing, or skiing in, you know, in the Catskills of New York. You know what I'm trying to say? It definitely captures the essence of that. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Fall in Amore with Amaro. If you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share it with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.